Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, I'm glad that was Dennis saying that rather than appearing on page 4 of the Rugby Daily News. Much better for him. I guess my problem in this community has been I can't say no. If I'd have been a single woman, I'd have really been in trouble. And I mean, seriously, and you know, it's an honor to be asked to be on these various committees, boards, officerships, and so forth. But I really enjoy it, and it takes time. But I'm trying to think back if there was any that I actually ever refused. But again, I enjoy the people, I enjoy the activities. I think you guys did a great job. We always know when you have your annual get-together at the Lebanon Country Club, because the next day the course is in shambles.